Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions while having a laugh or two. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mini drones. On the left, we have the TOMZON A23 mini drone, and on the right, the Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's see which one of these buzzing buddies will take your drone game to the next level. Ready? Let's get this drone party started. First up, let's talk about the price. The TOMZON A23 mini drone will set you back just $39. That's like, what, a couple of fancy coffees? On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is a bit of a diva at $129. For that price, it better do my laundry and walk my dog. So if you're on a budget, TOMZON is the way to go. But hey, let's see if Techwonderz can justify that extra dough. Next, ease of use. TOMZON here is like the training wheels of drones. With its one-key takeoff and throw-to-go features, even your grandma could fly it. It's perfect for kids and beginners who think a joystick is some kind of medieval weapon. Now, Techwonderz isn't exactly rocket science either, but it's got a bit more going on. With optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode, it's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. It's great for adults and photographers who want their drone to hover like a hummingbird while they capture that perfect shot. All right, let's talk cameras. This is where Techwonderz really starts to show off. It's packing a 1080p HD dual camera setup, and the front camera even rotates 90 degrees. You can take selfies, videos, and even zoom in 50 times. It's like having a drone and a private paparazzi rolled into one. Meanwhile, TOMZON is like, camera? What camera? It's all about the flips and tricks, folks. If you're looking to capture your next viral video, you'll need to look elsewhere. Speaking of fun, let's not forget about those cool features. TOMZON is the life of the party, with 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's like the drone version of that one friend who's always doing backflips at the pool party. Techwonderz, though, is like the cool older cousin who knows all the tricks. It's got 360 degrees flips and rolls, waypoint functions, and even a follow me mode. Just make AV, or palm gesture, and this drone will recognize you and take a photo. It's basically the drone equivalent of a stalker, but in a fun way. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. TOMZON gives you a respectable 18 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries. Not bad for a mini drone, right? But Techwonderz? This thing can fly for up to 50 minutes. That's practically a marathon in drone years. You could fly it to the store and back. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Last but not least, safety. TOMZON is built like a tiny tank with quality, tough materials and propeller guards. It's perfect for kids who think crashing is part of the fun. Techwonderz, on the other hand, has a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. This drone is basically Neo from the Matrix, dodging obstacles left and right. It's powerful and safe, just like a superhero in drone form. Reviewers love the TOMZON A23 mini drone for its ease of use, durability, and fun features, making it perfect for kids and beginners. However, some noted that it feels a bit cheap and has a shorter battery life. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone with camera is praised for its excellent camera quality, ease of use, and advanced features, making it worth the higher price point for adults and photographers. So there you have it, folks. The TOMZON A23 mini drone is the fun, budget-friendly option for kids and beginners, while the Techwonderz drone with camera is the high-tech, feature-packed choice for adults and photographers. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.